नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ JBN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education Methodology. Students, today I am going to deliver the next teaching method, that is demonstration method. So demonstration means to show. In biology, knowledge imparted for abstract thoughts cannot remain permanent in the learning process, while the knowledge of concrete objects remains comparatively permanent. For example, if teacher teaches flower part estimation of different parts like sepals, petals, androecium and gynoecium could not be clear without demonstration. So the demonstration method is based on the maxima from concrete to abstract. The student take active part in it. The student and teacher both are active in it. So process, here are some process of demonstration method. This process of this method is as follows, like teacher demonstrate the object which is relevant to the topic. The student watch and observe different parts of tools, experiments and activities while on their seats, and all the sense organs are active in this method. The students keep listening to the subject matter by their ear and watch by their eyes. This is called the demonstration method. Now here are some precautions during demonstration method. Teachers should be careful regarding selection of demonstration material. It should be pre-decided so that class could not be disturbed. The teacher should be well versed in the handling of apparatus and equipment. The thing for the demonstration should be as big that can be visible to every student of the class. The article for the demonstration should be kept on the table without an unnecessary article that could divert the attention of the student. The demonstration should be related to our daily life and previous knowledge. All the article and apparatus should already be arranged in order. Any questions raised during the demonstration should be answered, and the student should be told to write the experiment and its result in practical notebook. These precautions should be there. Now, merits of demonstration method: less time consuming. People learn by observing. Students develop the power of reasoning and thinking. The knowledge acquired by observation is permanent and student can understand the topic easily. This method is effective for lower classes. It is economical. It is more useful where the apparatus is costly and sensitive to break. Now here are also some demerits of this method. This method is not based on the principle of learning by doing. The students do not get the chance of direct experience. Some students do not observe properly. Sometimes teachers are unable to perform experiments properly, and this creates lots of confusion about the topic in students. So students, this was all about the demonstration method. Thank you.